will discuss about special permits. Special work permit क्या होता है, special work permit क्यों use किया जाता है. Okay, so in special work permit, like the radiation, what are the radioactive elements which you are using in your site? So for that you need to go with these special permits. If you have to work with the like the radioactive elements, so the radioactive elements which radiates the heat in the form of electromagnetic waves, and that electromagnetic waves which travels in straight direction, and it may create maximum impact on your body. So that kind of equipment, if we are using, if we are dealing with the radioactive elements, so you have to go with these special permits. Okay, in special permits you have to check so many things which you need to check, and then you have to take that as well. So in special permit you have to mention the project name, okay, where you are working, like BARC, Baba Atomic Research Center, Site 1. Okay, time you issued the permit at 9 o'clock in the morning time. Location, it is B1 lab room area, and you need to mention in the permit that is what the date as well. So today's date 5/4/2026. Okay, then permit number, yes, you already issued the permit which is already you covered related to 20. So today we issued with the 21 the new permit. Nature of job, so nature of job is testing of radioactive elements for blasting in confined space or for other reasons as well. Okay, so you need to mention the perfect nature of the job. Then radioactive materials which is highly hazardous and very reactive, so be very careful while handling or while working. Okay, so as per the safety regulations or the rules, safety regulations as per the BARC, insured source in use in transits or during storage, so you have to check that. And then take area cordoned and safe working platform also provided, so you have to take that as well. Then lighting arrangements for working during night, ensured proper safety, with proper safety, that also you need to check and sign. Warning signages, check that as well. Okay, and PPE like badges, dosimeters, which you need to utilize in radioactive zone. Dosimeter is very important. Okay, job safety analysis, JSA and TBT, it is mandatory. Whatever the permit which you need to issue, so it is mandatory, you need to check that as well. And yes, in radioactive zone, if you are working, you have to go with special suits. Special suits to be used while working in radioactive zone. So आप radioactive zone में काम कर रहे हो, special suits is very important. It is mandatory. If you go inside the radio zone, always you have to go with special PPE with special suits while working in radio zone. And yes, for radiography agency supervision, like the supervisor sign over here. Okay, and then permit issuing authority who issued the permit, you need to sign over here, and then the safety officer sign in this column, and then the last one is project in charge, so you have to sign over here. And then permit valid team up to 6 PM, or maybe in the night time if you are working, so you have to put the time over there. And once you complete with the job, then you can collect the same permit. So this is how the things. It is very important if you want to work with the radioactive elements like uranium, thorium, plutonium, strontium, or other elements as well. There are different kinds of radioactive elements. So if you want to work with this, you have to always go with special permit. Fill the special permits and then start your job. Clear everyone? Understood?